Do you hit the snooze button every single morning? You're not lazy. You probably just have the wrong morning routine. Most people think waking up early is about willpower. It's actually about building better habits. The first mistake happens the night before. Staying up late makes early mornings almost impossible. Put your phone away at least 30 minutes before bed. Your brain needs time to relax. Better sleep always leads to better mornings. Quality sleep is more important than sleeping longer. Place your alarm across the room. You'll have to get out of bed to turn it off. Once you're standing, you've already won the hardest battle of the morning. Open the curtains immediately. Natural light tells your brain it's time to wake up. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. It helps your body feel more alert. These tiny habits may seem simple, but together they make waking up early much easier. Now splash some cold water on your face. It's a quick way to help your brain wake up faster. Stretch your body for just 1 minute. Gentle movement tells your muscles it's time to start the day. Even a short walk around your room helps increase your energy and reduces morning sleepiness. Give your body healthy fuel. A good breakfast helps you stay focused during the morning. If you drink coffee, don't depend on it to wake you up. Good sleep should always come first. Every morning is a choice. The first decision you make often shapes the rest of your day. Write down 1 or 2 simple goals. Having a reason to wake up makes getting out of bed much easier. Spend your first few minutes doing something positive. Reading is much better than scrolling on your phone. Avoid checking social media right after waking up. It steals your focus before your day even begins. Congratulations! You've already built the foundation of a powerful morning routine, and we're just getting started. The secret isn't waking up early once, it's creating a morning routine that you can repeat every day. Don't suddenly wake up 2 hours earlier. Move your alarm back by just 15 minutes every few days. Small changes are easier for your body to accept. Slow progress is much more sustainable. Going to bed at the same time every night is just as important as waking up early. Keep your bedroom calm and free from distractions. Better sleep starts with a better environment. A dark and quiet room helps your brain produce more melatonin, making it easier to fall asleep. Build a relaxing bedtime routine. Simple habits tell your brain that it's time to sleep. Take a few slow, deep breaths before bed. Relaxing your mind helps you fall asleep faster. Good mornings begin with good nights. Never forget that sleep quality comes first. After a few weeks of consistency, you'll notice something amazing. Your body will start waking up naturally, even before the alarm. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Every successful morning builds a stronger habit. Some mornings won't go as planned. That's completely normal. One bad day doesn't erase your progress. Instead of feeling guilty, simply reset your routine and try again tomorrow. Be kind to yourself. Building new habits takes time, and every small improvement matters. Prepare everything the night before. The fewer decisions you make in the morning, the easier it becomes to get started. Pack your bag, organize your desk, or prepare breakfast the night before. Your future self will thank you. When everything is ready, your morning feels smoother and much less stressful. Spend a few quiet minutes writing your thoughts or planning your day. It helps you start with a clear mind. Within a few weeks, you'll notice higher energy, better focus, and a much healthier routine. Waking up early isn't about suffering. It's about creating mornings that you actually look forward to. Now that you're awake, don't waste the extra time. Use it for something that improves your life. Reading just 10 pages every morning can teach you more than hours of scrolling on social media. Early mornings are perfect for learning. Your mind is fresh, focused, and free from distractions. Even 5 minutes of movement boosts your energy and helps you feel awake for the rest of the day. A few minutes of quiet breathing can reduce stress and help you start your day with a calm mind. Choose only 3 important tasks for today. A simple plan keeps you productive without feeling overwhelmed. Finishing one important task early gives you momentum for the rest of the day. Notice the difference. Starting your day earlier gives you more time and much less stress. The goal isn't just waking up early. The goal is becoming the healthier and more productive version of yourself. After just a few weeks, waking up early won't feel difficult anymore. It'll simply become part of who you are. Let's put everything together. A simple routine is much easier to follow than a complicated one. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to be consistent. Small actions repeated every day become powerful habits before you even notice. The difference between these two people isn't talent. It's simply the habits they repeat every morning. Remember, the first few minutes after waking up decide how the rest of your day will feel. Don't try to change everything overnight. Start with one small habit and build from there. Every great morning starts with one simple decision: get out of bed and keep moving forward. Imagine how much you could accomplish with 1 extra hour every single day. Your future self will thank you for the habits you choose to build today. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Stickman guides every week. Tell me in the comments, what time do you usually wake up? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.